Take my word is an. It means to read.
An.
To read.
នាងមកយឺតនាងឈឺ3ដងអានសៀវភៅ
Read the book.
An សារ
Read a message.
គាត់លែងទឹកមកអូននោះដៃទៅវែងរើសយកស្រាប់តែមានដៃប្រាត់អ្នកទៀតអត់ដៃតែយើងហើយនិយាយកំហុសថាអញមានសិទ្ធអីមករើសរបស់យើងនំចំណីនេះជារបស់កូនចៅអញបោះឲ្យទេអានរឿង
Read a story.
អាន
Read.
That's it. So now you know how to say the word to read in Khmer.
Keep practicing and don't forget to earn something every day. Bye bye.